Here we are again in my driveway, Mr. Zebra and I, talking about our part 3 of our polygon lesson. As a review, a polygon is any shape that has more than 3 sides that is closed. That means that Zebra cannot get out. He's not a big fan of those. Nope, he doesn't like it when he's locked out. So today we're going to talk about heptagons, which are 7-sided figures, octagons, which are 8-sided figures, nonagons, which are 9-sided figures, and decagons, which are 10-sided figures. Now these are going to take a lot of practice to draw these, so you're going to have like scrap paper and really work on them. Mrs. Frey actually has like a little cheat sheet over here, if you look over here, because I'm going to draw them, but it took a lot of practice for me to get them. So I'm going to kind of give you some tips, and you might want to like pause it after you watch and then try to draw. That's what Zebra and I did, is we thought about it, then we drew, crossed it off, tried to draw again, drew again. So it takes some practice. So definitely pause the video after this and try to draw a heptagon, which will have 7 sides. The easiest way we found out to do it is to kind of draw a little Pac-Man guy. So he's going to have across the top of his head, and he's going to go down, like that's kind of where his eye would be. Then his mouth, like this. I gotta look at my cheat sheet. Then we go around. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, 6, 7. So that's a 7-sided shape. That's a heptagon. And you can see that it's 7 sides because I'm gonna draw a dash on each one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a heptagon. It's closed. Zebra can't get out. Oh, I won't leave you in there because I know you'll get mad. Oh, good. Thanks, Zebra. I'm glad you're not upset with me. Now, an octagon is kind of like a stop sign. That one's a little bit easier. So this one, it doesn't take as much practicing. And if you have a stop sign in your neighborhood, you might want to ask your grown-ups if they can take you for a walk to go see it, so you can count the sides on that octagon. So, put my cheat sheet under here. Put Zebra right there. You good, Zebra? Yep, he's good. Okay. So, I'm going to draw our stop sign, or our octagon. But we've heard that before, octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. So when you hear octa, you think 8. And an octagon has 8 sides. So you got a top, you go down, straight down, back it at an angle, across the bottom, up, up, up. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the nonagon, boy, that took us some practice. That's like a really, really big Pac-Man. And again, you can draw any shape you want that's 9 sides to make a nonagon, but this is what kind of helped me think about what was easiest for me. It's not what's easiest for me though, is not gonna be what's easiest for you. So you're gonna have to do some practicing with the nonagon. So, nonagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, that's not right either. See? I told you, I got lots of practice, and I even have a cheat sheet. So let's try again. That is not a nonagon. Lots of hard work here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a nonagon. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sides. So that's a nonagram. You can kind of draw different things too. You can kind of just keep drawing in and seeing if it works. Like you could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would be a nonagon, almost like a king's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And camera person, if you want to stand over here, you can kind of see that looks a little bit right here like a crown. Look at Zebra's wearing a crown. I'm the king! Oh, I don't know if I can let him sit there with the crown. He's gonna like think he is the king and start bossing me around. Will you boss me around, Zebra? Oh, he probably will. Okay, and the last one we're gonna talk about is a decagon. And when I drew a decagon, again, this takes a lot of practice. I kind of thought it looked like a little bit like a rocket ship, but I'll see if I can recreate it because my cheat sheet's all the way over there. So let's see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, kind of looks like a rocket ship, and like the flames would come out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. But there's lots of different decagons. You just kind of have to fool around with it and see which one looks the best to you. So homework today, I should say, is practice drawing a heptagon, 7 sides, octagon, 8 sides. I set this down so I can actually show you that many fingers. Nonagon, 9 sides. Clearly that's Zebra's favorite because he thinks he's king. I'm the king of the world! No, you're not. Uh-oh. He might not talk to me again the rest of the night tonight. And a decagon. Just try, take a picture of your work, send it to me, and I'll add a point on your point sheet. See you today at 1 for Zoom. And today we're going to do a little math activity on Zoom at 1 o'clock. And I'm looking forward to seeing you guys.